what is up? It's good to see you all. Before we start, we'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land. We'd like to pay our respects to their elders, past and present, to each and every one of you. We come here in the name of respect, unity, peace, and love. Are y'all with us? This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun.
Your nose, yeah, man, that's so where are your money boys? Ladies out living out your friends. Well, man, that's the way it's moving, and then you're going around.